Can you believe this? Grabe. This is the smallest fish I have ever caught so far in my fishing career. Look at this. Haman yung mga angkol ay, yung mga lolo. Ano ba? Smallest fish I have ever caught in my fishing career. Sa labios na tayo nito guys. So, grabe na talaga to.